Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a seafarer or someone who travels often, this video is for you. Today, we're covering how to choose the perfect cabin baggage, check-in baggage, and a side bag that's ideal for both travel and onboard life. Smart packing makes your sign-on and sign-off much easier. Let's get started. For seafarers, your luggage needs to handle rough transit airports, ports, terminals, even rain. Polycarbonate is the best pick. It's lightweight, durable, and scratch-resistant. ABS might be cheaper, but it cracks easily. Fabric bags wear out faster and are harder to keep clean. Check the sizes to 20, 24, 28 combo. Most trolley sets include 20-inch cabin bag, 24-inch medium check-in, 28-inch large check-in. Choose trolleys with 360 spinner wheels, a sturdy telescopic handle, removable wheels, which make cleaning and repairs much easier. Look for extendable zippers or expandable compartments. These give you extra packing space when needed. 20-inch cabin bag. Select for USB charging port, a bottle and phone holder, super handy during long waits or airport layovers. Go for a lightweight and durable set. Trusted brands offer 3 to 5 years warranty. Your cabin bag should follow airline rules, generally 55 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Oversized cabin bags can cause issues at the gate, and you may be forced to check them in. Seafarers usually get to pieces of 23 kilograms baggage allowance. But if your ticket says 40 kilograms, it still means to pieces, and each bag must be under 25 kilograms. Don't pack everything into one 30 to 35 kilograms bag, or you'll face issues at check-in. Once you reach the ship and unpack, you can nest the 20 inches and 24 inches bags inside the 28 inches one. This saves valuable space in your cabin during sign-off. Just separate and repack them. A compact side bag is a must. It's perfect for carrying passport, documents, wallet, phone, USB, charger, and other essentials without pulling out your cabin bag every time. Need help choosing the right bag model? Just drop a comment and I'll be happy to recommend some great options. Now, let's talk about locks. This is important. TSA-approved locks. They're secure, key-free, and won't be damaged by airport checks. Number locks can jam, and padlocks with keys risk loss. TSA locks are the smart choice. Add a bright ribbon to your baggage handle, and a clear ID tag helps spot it quickly on the carousel and ensures easy identification if lost during transit. Always do your web check-in online, preferably 24 hours before your flight. It saves time, lets you choose your seat, and avoids last-minute queues or boarding delays. And that's it. With the right trolley set, a smart side bag, TSA-approved locks, and a few smart features like USB ports, bottle and phone holders, and removable wheels, your journey becomes smooth from sign-on to sign-off. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your crewmates or anyone traveling soon. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.